All right. So obviously I showed a demonstration in the other room, but I'll go ahead and raise it. We have a physical switch on the side that allows us to raise lower the chassis. It's built into, it's a 12.7 inch screen. Folds into effectively a 13-inch laptop. And then inside, we roll the screen underneath into the chassis. And then we have dual motors that push the screen up or pull down, as well as springs that are attached to the panel, so it's under under tension as it comes in and goes under. So now I will raise it up. And then it becomes a 15.3 inch screen as we push this up with an 8:9 aspect ratio. And the design intent is to drive more productivity. We have this mantra, carry small, use big, so carry a 13-inch laptop, go bigger, obviously, and now I've got more lines of code, more, I can review content, I could have dual screen, I could have video call, content below, just gives you that flexibility on the go. So that's the design point. But again, just proof of concept at this point, but wanted to share with you.
What's the resolution right now for the screen?
The resolution, so James, you've got the, it's an odd resolution because of the 15.3. And we'll send this to you as well.
Yeah, we'll see here.
Can I take it for?
Yeah, just
yeah.
like,
Go ahead.
yeah.
15 by 9. 22 by 9.
Can you put it down?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Another thing to keep in mind is, when you're writing email, you usually need more space because you have a lot of things to say. Looking at your notes. So I go to compose. Again, it's contextually ordered that I need more space, so it automatically goes up. We plan to make this work out so that this is
Does the panel move below the main board, or is it above the?
So it goes below into chassis. It's below the keyboard.
Okay.
And so part of what we are continuing to refine is how we take that in, and obviously working on the miniaturization of the motors, the mechanism to pull in, pull out. And so that's why it's at proof of concept stage at this point.
No, I just pressed the wrong button.
I'm assuming it's passively cooled, or is it actively cooled?
It's actively cooled.
It's actively. So it does have space for fans in there as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we could evolve that to be, it could be passive or active, and part of that's just going to be how we work to continue to refine this chassis.
Does it have a name? Does it have a concept?
Rollable PC.
Okay.
Yeah. So nothing yet. Nothing yet.
So it's controlled with a button?
Yeah, just a switch here. Yeah.
So it's saving
Switch here. So it's just a physical switch.
Yeah.
I mean, this mixture of all great things to one device.
For someone who's scared of emails, you said it to be as simple as possible.
Yeah. I don't want to read the bottom of the message anymore.
So can you say who's producing the display?
It's an off-the-shelf DOE display.
And then,
But when it's done, you have to be very careful, right?
As a concept, yes. I mean, part of what we're working on also is the reliability, the durability of the chassis, so that and the whole mechanism. So that's one thing we continue to innovate in our labs.
You said it's going down.
Yes. Yes.
It is 210 grams.
Yes, it actually rolls below the keyboard.